Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So, the day has finally come. I'm super excited. We're going to be working on the Pro again. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff to this thing. Going to be painting a whole bunch of various parts on it, and it's even getting a custom tunnel wrap done on it. It's only getting the tunnel done, not the front end at all, but I like the way the front end looks, so yeah, super excited. That'll be happening in probably the next month or so, month and a half. So videos will kind of be broken up a little bit on doing all this stuff, but today we're going to take all the parts off of it that I'm going to be painting right away, and we will start on them. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so I didn't bother time-lapsing the other ski because I don't think you could even see it from there. But I got the other ski off, and this will kind of be all the parts for now. I'm eventually going to be taking the running boards off as well, and maybe see if you can actually see the sled, and maybe that part, everything's backwards, that part there, off as well to paint, but I'm going to be doing that after the tunnel gets wrapped. Actually, we'll see. I might do that part there, before the tunnel gets wrapped. I'm going to have to take the fuel tank off and a whole bunch of other stuff up there to be able to get that stuff off, but this is kind of just going to be it for now. So what we have is the rear bumper is going to get resprayed in a closer orange match to that. I went to an actual paint shop to get them to actually color match the orange and get all the proper paint stuff for doing this. Gas rack is going to be black. I'm going to take the two side pieces off and scrape them up with a wire wheel because they've got kind of a chrome finish on them. So I'll rough them up a little bit and then I'll put it all back together. Seat post is also going to be orange. And then we've got the two spindles. They're going to be black. And then I'm also going to be doing the running boards black. And also I'm thinking these orange and this black on both sides. But we'll see once I get into it a little bit more how much of a project that's going to be. But that's kind of the idea for now. And then the tunnel's just going to be wrapped black. Actually, I'm not going to even say what it's all going to look like. It'll be a surprise for a future video. So that is that for now, and I'm going to get going on the gas rack and get it all roughed up and then start hanging stuff. Got these two pieces painted. They are now sitting right there. Quite happy how they turned out. We got the gas rack, turned out really nice. Really pleased with that. These ones here, they turned out quite nice. I'm quite happy with them. If you look closely though, you can see, actually might be easier. You can see a couple of specks there. Basically, the paper towel that I used to wipe these off with left little, what do you call them? Like, little fuzzes all over the place. So with the gas rack, I blew it off with the air compressor after I wiped it down, and it came out really nice. So I might do that for the rest of them, but these ones should be fine. I mean, hopefully they'll be buried under the snow all the time anyway, so that's the dream. So next we're going to be doing the bumper and also the oh, there it is. Gonna be doing this here, the seat post. So I've already wire wheeled this off just to kind of clean it up, and then I'll be wiping it down with the degreaser there, and then I'll be wire wheeling the bumper as well, and then hanging them and getting started on that. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got these all painted up. They're actually dry already here. Painted them a little bit ago. I'm gonna leave those there to dry till tomorrow probably. And right now I'm going to put the spindles back onto the sled so that I can put the skis back on and be able to actually move the sled around. And then in the next video, I'm going to be pulling the fuel tank off so that it can be to get it ready to go to the graphics shop. So that'll be in the next one. But let's put these spindles back on. Got the spindle back on. Pretty pleased with the way they came out. Definitely looks much better. I didn't do the other side yet because I noticed when I had the spindles off that the ball joints are actually kind of loose. So I'm going to look into those, see how much they are, all that stuff. Might replace them right away while I have it all apart. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, all that stuff. In the next video, like I said, we'll be pulling the fuel tank off, sending the sled away to get tunnel wrapped, and then we'll be bolting on all the other parts that I've painted, along with painting a few other parts. So super excited for that. Should look pretty decent by the time it's done. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.